Managing multiple properties is becoming increasingly complex and harder to control than it was. Maintenance today is fragmented. It really shouldn't be this way. The impact is real. It directly affects reviews and consequently revenue.
That's why we built Applix, a platform designed to centralize operations and seamlessly connect property managers with technicians, bringing structure to a process that is still highly unstructured.
Property managers start by registering their properties and appliances in my hub. This creates a centralized system where all information is organized and ready to use. When something goes wrong, they don't need to start from scratch. They simply request a service, get matched instantly with the technician, and manage everything in one place.
On the technician side, the experience is just as simple. Jobs are received, accepted, and managed through a clear and efficient workflow.
With built-in data and history, every interaction becomes faster, smarter, and more efficient over time.
Building the operating system for property maintenance.
Applix, fixing property operations.